Friends, Amar here, and here is a backdoor access to private traffic deals buyer quality, perfect for new and established affiliate marketers with $0 ad budget. You can unlock solo ads, banner ads, text ads, and more. Lately, a few days ago, we launched, Phil and I, an offer just like this one for a good package of traffic on traffic exchange websites, and then we decided to launch a version 2 of the same offer. You can see the promo codes that we offered in the last time here on this page, and also if you go at the very bottom here, you will see the second traffic package that you will be getting today. And there are like good sites on the second traffic package, like Mr. Safe List is a very big website and teaming with affiliate marketers and people that are interested in biz up and internet marketing. You have multiple sites from Frank Salinas, which has premium traffic. Actually, you have on these 4 websites, you can get on each one of them one lifetime banner. This is a set and forget, guys. You put your attractive banner on these websites and they will stay there lifetime. One lifetime text ad, and you will get also 10,000 credits. Another website from Frank Salinas is this one here at Exchange Ads, and you get 2 lifetime banners and 2 solo ads. You can see there are multiple websites that are very active, and you have like a generous package of traffic promo codes. My friend Phil Booth is also participating with 2 promo codes, so you get a second version of the offer with a huge traffic package. And again, guys, this is a traffic that you can set and forget, and it is instant. I mean, when you get this offer, you will access right away to the promo codes, and you can go ahead to those websites, register an account if you are not already registered, and redeem the promo codes and set up your ads in the same day, and you will expect good traffic from those websites. Now, I'm also offering here 2 pages that you can use to build your email list with this offer here, and redirect the subscribers that will subscribe to your email list, redirect them to your affiliate link for this same offer, so that you can make 50% commissions on the whole funnel. Let me show you the JV page. This is the JV page. You can click on this button here to get to Warrior Plus and request your affiliate link. Once you get it, of course, you will put it as a bridge page. I will show you in a second, and then you can use these banners here to promote the offer on traffic exchanges or any other traffic source. So let's go to a LeadsLeap account, and let's say that this page we just imported it. Of course, you can get access to the share code for that, and if you click the link, you will see how it looks like. This is the page that you can use to build your email list, and as soon as people subscribe from this form here, you want to send them to your affiliate link that you got from Warrior Plus. How you do that? Well, you just come here to the page editor. I mean, you click this button here, and once the editor is open, of course, you need first to attach this page to your email list that you are building. So you click here on the left side on list, and then you go get the list that you want to build. Let's say this one here, and then here is the spot where you want to put your affiliate link for this second offer here, which is called Tsunami Traffic Codes. So once you put your affiliate link here, don't forget to save. Anyone who subscribes from this page, it will be added to your email list and sent right away to your affiliate link. If he buys the package, you'll be making 50% commission on the whole funnel. I mean, look, you will see that the funnel is $5 on the front end. You get 50% commission, and then there are other LTOs that makes you also 50% commission. Some of the OTOs are recurring payments, so you'll be making 50% commission, recurring commissions. So this is it, guys. The traffic package, the second traffic package, as you can see here, is very interesting. It starts right here, as you can see. And yeah, I mean, the price is very cheap, $5, and then you can just go ahead, grab it before the price goes up, start promoting. Thank you very much, and I will see you on my next video.